Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, Kusha M3 variant. In a masterstroke of miniaturization that underscores India's missile engineering fineness, the M3 variant of Project Kusha, the DRDO ambitious long-range surface-to-air missile system, boasts a featherweight 1,673 kilogram frame despite its staggering 400 kilometer engagement envelope, lighter and more compact than Asia's wanted 40 N6E missile, which tips the scales at 1893 kg and stretches to 7.8 meters. The indigenous M3 clocks in at 9,472 meters long with a 500 mm diameter, fitting snugly into 1 meter launch tubes for enhanced mobility and rapid deployment. The revelation, sourced from DRDO's internal design briefs and shares, arrives as Kusha accelerates towards user trials in 2027, fortifying the Indian Air Force and Army integrated air defense grid against ballistic and hypersonic incursions. At a Suvet 1,673 kilogram, over 200 kilogram leaner than the 40 N6E, the M3 slashes logistical burdens, enabling canisterized transporters to haul more interceptors per convoy while preserving the system's Mach 5.5 sprint capability. Next, Veda's air-launched swarm drone tech. Veda Aeronautical Private Limited has officially confirmed its development of a cutting-edge swarm drone system designed for saturation attacks with a strong emphasis on air-launched deployment capabilities. Drawing from battlefield lessons in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the Indian Air Force is actively evaluating the integration of these long-range loitering munitions into transport aircraft platforms, potentially revolutionizing unmanned strike operation in contested theaters like the line of actual control with China and the line of control with Pakistan. Sources reveal that the system boasts an impressive 1,000 kilometer operational range, enabling kamikaze drones to overwhelm enemy air defense through coordinated swarm tactics. This development, first reported in September, marks a pivotal step in India's push toward autonomous warfare, where swarms could deliver persistent surveillance, electronic warfare, and precision kinetic strikes without exposing manned assets to risk. Next, Indonesia planning missile umbrella with BrahMos and YJ-12. In the intricate chessboard of Indo-Pacific geopolitics, where archipelagic nations guard checkpoints vital to global trade, Indonesia is scripting an audacious chapter. Reports emerging in late October revealed Jakarta's advanced plans to integrate supersonic cruise missiles from two rival powers, India's BrahMos and China's CM302, the export variant of the YJ-12, into a unified missile umbrella. This hybrid system aims to transform Indonesia's fragmented 17,000 islands into an interlocking fortress of maritime denial, deterring incursion across key straits like Sunda, Lombok, and Makassar. While the Indonesian Ministry of Defense has yet to issue an official nod, financial approvals and doctrinal alignment suggest deals could materialize imminently, potentially valued at over $1.45 billion combined. Next, PLAF ditching PL-15 for PL-16 stealth edge. In a seismic recalibration of its aerial armament strategy, the People's Liberation Army Air Force is reportedly curtailing procurement of the battle-tested PL-15 beyond visual range air-to-air missile in favor of the emerging PL-16, according to insights from Chinese military analyst Wang Jiangsui. This shift prioritized the PL-16's superior range and internal carriage compatibility with fifth-generation stealth platforms like the J-20 Mighty Dragon and the carrier-based J-35A, while reserving the ultra-long-range PL-17 for legacy flanker derivatives such as the J-16 and Su-30 MKK. Next, producing advanced unexploded Ordinance Handling Robot UXOR. In a significant boost to India's defense capabilities, the DRDO has inked a pivotal partnership with Pune-based Sagar Defense Engineering for the mass production of the Unexploded Ordnance Handling Robot UXOR. This collaboration marks a milestone in indigenous technology transfer aimed at equipping the Indian Air Force with cutting-edge tools to mitigate risk during high-stakes bomb disposal operations. The UXOR, an indigenously designed marvel of engineering, is engineered to neutralize explosive devices weighing up to staggering 1,000 kilograms. Developed initially by DRDO's Instrument Research and Development Establishment in collaboration with the Corporation of Engineers, the robot represents a fusion of advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and rugged mechanical design. Its deployment will fundamentally enhance the safety of IAS personnel who often face life-threatening scenarios in unexploded ordnance recovery and disposal mission. Next, IAF charts course for 6th Gen Skies. Buoyed by the momentum of the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program, the Indian Air Force is turning its gaze to the next frontier, 6th generation air power. In a candid assertion, Deputy Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Avadhesh Kumar Bharti emphasized the imperative for India to invest heavily in 6th generation technologies, warning that future conflicts will hinge on innovation rather than imports. This call to action has catalyzed internal deliberations with a senior IAF official, revealing that brainstorming sessions on next-gen platforms are already underway, driven by a resolve not to repeat the delays that plagued 5th generation development. Next, Project 76 SSK Program. The Indian Navy is poised to enhance its underwater capabilities with the ambitious Project 76 conventional submarine program, which a naval officer has described as surpassing the scale of the earlier Project 75 and 75I initiatives. Designed to incorporate a higher degree of indigenous technologies, Project 76 reflects the growing strategic importance of diesel-electric attack submarine, that is SSKs, in safeguarding India's extensive coastline amid evolving maritime threats in the Indian Ocean region. The Project 76 submarine are expected to feature a submerged displacement exceeding 2,500 tons, a significant increase over previous classes. The enhanced size will enable the integration of an indigenous air-independent propulsion system developed by the DRDO, which will allow the submarines to remain submerged for extended periods up to 2 weeks or more, boosting their stealth and endurance. Next, exploring hybrid next-generation submarine launched missile system. The Indian Navy is venturing into uncharted waters with plans to develop a hybrid next-generation submarine launched surface-to-air missile system designed to neutralize maritime patrol aircraft at long ranges. According to sources, the innovative system aims to enhance the defensive and offensive capabilities of Indian submarines, particularly against MPAs deployed to hunt underwater assets, marking a significant evolution in naval warfare technology. Next, India's Archer NG male UAV. In a triumphant leap for India's defense innovation, the DRDO Archer NG medium at altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle has completed its highly anticipated first flight following rigorous high-speed taxi trials earlier this year. The indigenous drone took to the skies today at the Aeronautical Test Range in Chitradurga, Karnataka, validating key aerodynamic and systems performance in a 45-minute sortie. This breakthrough underscores India's push towards self-reliance in UAV capabilities. Next, heavy lift helicopter hunt. The Indian Navy is gearing up for a transformative era in amphibious warfare, with the Ministry of Defence set to approve a landmark Rupees 80,000 crore tender for 4 indigenously built landing platform docks. This multi-role behemoth, capable of deploying troops, vehicles and aircraft across contested littorals, will not only bolster India's blue water ambition but also trigger an urgent query for heavy lift helicopters to operate from their expansive decks. Thank you.